Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unreal Universe. Samsung releases a new commercial just before the Oscar Award ceremony featuring some of the best actors, which is all about making something different, which mocks Apple's think different strategy, and Apple is not thinking anything different. So here are the two commercials, one by Samsung and other by Apple, which is very old indeed. So enjoy.
Here's to the crazy ones, the misfits, the rebels, the troublemakers, the round pegs in the square holes, the ones who see things differently. They're not fond of rules, and they have no respect for the status quo. You can quote them, disagree with them, glorify or vilify them, but the only thing you can't do is ignore them. Because they change things. They push the human race forward. And while some may see them as the crazy ones, we see genius. Because the people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do.
We should make something.
Like what? You guys, make anything!
Make something awkward.
Make something you can share.
Make something big.
But we don't have a budget.
Okay. Make something small.
Make a new way in.
Make something quiet.
Make them respect you.
Make.
Can we make something else?
Sure. Make mistakes until you don't.
Make them regret the day they passed on you.
Make them see something beautiful.
Make it last.
Make something undeniably you.
And then you never know.
You might make history.
Okay, then what?
If you enjoyed the video, do hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for all upcoming updates. That's all for today. I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Till then, peace out.